What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. You are watching Basic Bree. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time I post, because why not? I'm coming to you with a new wig review and how I install it, doing the stocking cap method. I never did this method before, so this is like my first time, so I'm like, I don't know how I feel about it, but as you can see, I did a good job for my first time. To see how I achieved this look, just continue to watch the video. Alright, so I'm starting off by putting on my tan stocking cap over my round head. Like, I started laughing at this, but anyway, cover it all, cover your ears, just cover it, and then go in with your got to be glued spiking glue. You can either use this or the gel, whatever you prefer. I just used this glue because this is what I had at home and I didn't feel like buying a whole new one, so this works perfectly fine too. So I'm spreading the glue over the cap where the top of my forehead is and kind of close to my edges so that the wig lays flat and that it looks natural. I didn't pull it all the way down because I thought it would be like weird when it's too close to my eyebrows. Like, I want people to see my forehead like it's there for a reason. This was probably the most annoying part, the blow drying part, because you have to wait until it is fully dry before you even put the wig on. And I wasn't even finished because I go in again with the second layer of glue to make sure that my wig does not come off, because girl, like, that would be so embarrassing. It's a windy day, just snatch your wig come off. Like, that is embarrassing. So I went in with another second layer and then again with the blow dryer, of course. So after blow drying, I go in with my Got to Be Glued Blast and Freeze spray. This stuff will make your wig hold for life. And of course, you got to go in with the blow dryer again for like, I did this for like 15 minutes. Y'all, it's so time consuming, I swear. Now it's time to cut off the front part of the cap. That little piece in the front, yeah, just cut that off. Be very careful. Don't cut yourself. Okay, but yeah, just cut it off. You got to make sure you get all them eensy weensy pieces or your wig will look lumpy in the front. So now here's the wig. Look at that thing, just beautiful. I'm showing the lace front. It's already pre-plucked and it already had like a few baby hairs, but I think while I was cutting off the lace, I did cut off the baby hairs, I believe. So eventually I just make my own, but yeah, so I just cut off the lace and I get ready to put this thing on. I go in now using my foundation. This is going to create the natural looking lace part that you want, because you don't want your hair looking like it's not yours. Like, I know it's a wig and all, but come on, you got to make it look like it's yours still, you know. Spray a little bit more of the holding Got to Be Glue spray just so my wig can hold. Now it's time to put on this lovely wig. I had to go in and out of the bathroom to see like different light and a different mirror for this so I can make sure that I was putting it on right. And eventually I did cut more of the front only because I didn't like the fact that it was that low. But I was very careful and it still turned out pretty well. Now it's time to create my own baby hairs. I just take a few strands in the front of my hair and I use my eyebrow razor to cut them off just to give it a more popping look, because you know baby hairs ain't gotta be dramatic and all, but you know they just fire, like they're just so good looking. So now I go on with my wet wavy curl cream, and this is for all human and synthetic hairstyles, which I found very convenient because like it just smells so good. It makes the hair even softer than it already was, and it just makes it look popping. Like I love it. I couldn't find a spray, so this worked out like very well, and I'm just in love with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And here is the look. I'm actually proud of myself. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at this. So yes, that was the finishing product. Again, this hair is from a YouTuber I am subscribed to. Her name is Soul Hair, but her hair company is called Soul Lace. I'll leave all of the information down below so you can check out her channel and see the wig for yourself, see her video on how she did it. You know. It was a $50 wig, but she had a discount for 10% off, so I ended up only paying $45. And this is a 18-inch. Yes, it's an 18-inch. As you can see, it's really long on me. Like, I'm 5'2", so I'm short. It reaches like almost the end of my back. And I was actually considering getting a 20-inch, and I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't get a 20-inch because this is long, but I love it. I love it. I love it. It's really full, has high density. Yeah, high density. Pretty much high density. Oh, I got it in my eye. When I first received it, skin on my face. When I first received it just came in like just a regular package with like the hair inside and a net over it. And then she also gave 2 wig caps. I got 2 black ones, but I already had a tan one, so I just used a tan one instead that I had already bought before I got the wig. When I say this hair is full, this hair is full. I feel like this hair is really giving me like SZA vibes. Like I'm just like, love, love, love. If you like this wig, make sure you click the link on my video or in the description below and go subscribe to her channel. Also subscribe to mine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and again hit that notification bell. Comment what you think, how I did on my first try. Like, what do you guys think? Did I slay it or no? Did I slay it or no? You ain't even gotta tell me. Yeah, thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you in my next video.